Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon is factoring general trinomials. Another example, factor a² minus 7a minus 35. Okay, again, so this is the solution. Step 1, factor the first term. So the first term is a squared, and it is equal to a times a. Okay, so susulat na natin agad dun sa first term natin ng binomials natin. Okay, so next step. Okay, factor the last term. So ang last term natin is negative 35, whose sum is negative 2. Okay, so factor ng negative 35, 1 times negative 35. Another one, we have negative 1 times 35. Next, we have negative 35 factor, which is 5 times negative 7. Then we have negative 5 times 7 is negative 35. Then we add 1 plus negative 35 is negative 34. Negative 1 plus positive 35 equals 34. The next, 5 plus negative 7 is negative 2. And then negative 5 plus 7 is positive 2. Okay, yung sum na nahanap natin, which is negative 2, andun siya sa factor na 5 times negative 7. So, yun yung gagamitin natin as factor. So, it becomes a plus 5 and a minus 7. So, the factor of a squared minus 2a minus 35 is a plus 5 times a minus 7. Okay, check natin kung tama yung sagot natin na a plus 5 times a minus 7 by multiplying the binomials. So, a times a equals a squared. Then, 5 times negative 7 equals negative 35. So, first term and last term are correct. How about the middle term? 5 times a is equal to 5a. Then a times negative 7 equals negative 7a. And then we add 5 plus negative 7a equals negative 2a. Okay. The resulting product is a squared minus 2a minus 35, which is match doon sa given trinomial natin na a squared minus 2a minus 35. Okay, so I think you are ready for the activity. You're going to factor the following trinomials. Okay, so number 1, you're going to factor x squared minus x minus 20. Number 2, x squared plus 11x plus 18. And number 3, x squared minus 4x minus 32. And we have number 4, x squared plus 7x minus 18. Okay, good luck and try your best. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.